Welcome to this Yoga Nidra journey, this moment of deep relaxation just for you. Let's start by getting really comfortable here. So as you come to lay down, getting prepared for your Yoga Nidra, finding a form of the body where it can truly find a sense of ease and relaxation. So feel if you maybe still want to adjust the positioning of your arms and legs, making any small adjustments to make yourself a little more comfortable. And in your comfortable Nidra cocoon, let your eyes gently close, turning your awareness from the external to your internal realm. Letting your eyes be heavy and the whole face be soft, completely relaxed. Body completely softening. Feeling the safety of laying here, the safety within your body, and the safety of being held by the ground beneath you. The feeling that you can just simply release into the ground below, that you are being held and protected. Let's take 3 nice releasing sighs out. So start by inhaling softly yet fully through the nose, and then sigh out through the mouth. Again, a full soft inhale through nose, feeling the energy rise. And then exhale as you feel the body release a little further into the ground. Now one last time, inhale softly. And exhale as you sink even further into ease, into relaxation. And then let the breath come back to its normal rhythm. Still feeling how every exhalation holds that quality of relaxing the body a little deeper into the present moment. And as you lay here now, acknowledging the simple fact that you took this time out of your day just for you. What a gift it is to grant yourself that moment of deep rest, to allow yourself a moment where there is really nothing to do. There's nothing to achieve. And already before really diving into practice, take this moment to thank yourself for making this valuable choice. Feeling that gratitude and letting that sensation of gratitude just linger a little while we bring our attention into the area of your heart. Feeling the warmth and the space inside your heart. And then from this beautiful point in the heart, we'll open into a loving rotation of our soft focus around the body. So from the heart, move awareness into the right shoulder, right upper arm, elbow, forearm, wrist, palm of the hand, back of the hand, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. Feeling the whole right arm at once. And then flowing awareness back into the heart, feeling the heart, then into the left shoulder, upper arm, elbow, forearm, wrist, palm of the left hand, back of the hand, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, whole left arm at once. Awareness back into the heart, from the heart into the navel, the whole belly, the hips, the right hip, right thigh, knee, back of knee, lower leg, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the right foot, all toes of the right foot, and the whole right leg at once. Both hips, left hip, thigh, knee, back of the knee, lower leg, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, all toes of the left foot, whole left leg, both hips, and now feel the whole body at once. Just sensing the whole body. Whole body filled with your loving focus, holding it in your warm, loving embrace. And as you sense into it, acknowledging everything it is capable of, as you mentally whisper to the body, "Thank you." Feeling where the back of the body touches the mat beneath you, and allowing the body to become heavy as it sinks down a little further into the mat, releasing yourself completely into relaxation. Now flow your attention back into the area of the heart. Now in the space of your heart, imagine a beautiful flower. Just let it be the first flower that comes up, no matter what it is. And the next time you inhale, see how the flower in the heart gently opens up a little further and wider. And as you exhale, it very gently closes down just a little, letting the petals come a little closer. And then as you inhale again, letting the petals of the flower spread wide, opening it up widely. And as you exhale, very gently and softly, letting it close down, very comfortably, letting this flow continue. Feeling that flow of this flower, feeling that rhythm of the breath, the opening, widening every inhale, and the gentle release and closing down as you exhale. letting that flower in the heart gently dissolve while we keep our focus landed within the heart space, feeling into it, feeling into the warm vibrancy of the energetic space of your heart, feeling the energy of love within your heart. Noticing that potent energetic force of love that resides within the heart, that vibrant, warm, loving energy living in this space, and letting that energetic potential spread as you now feel how that love starts to fill the whole body. So starting in a point from the heart, it starts to spread towards the arms, into the neck and head, starts to spread all the way down through the trunk, the legs, letting that beautiful, warm, loving energy fill the whole body, filling the whole body with this purifying, beautiful, energetic love, letting it fill into all the spaces within the body, filling you completely and fully. And as you let yourself rest in this warm embrace of love, feel what a joy it is to be you. Just feel what a pleasure it is to inhabit this body. What a privilege that you are you. Being held by this divine love within you, resting in a gratitude for the magic fact of being yourself. This deep, innate love does not depend on the things you do or achieve. This is the primal and deepest love for you, and deepest love for who you are within. Love for the reflection of your soul. A love for the core of your being. Feeling this love for all that you are and all that you will be. This love is ever present, ever strong. It is always with you. It can always be tapped into. Letting your body beam with this divine, powerful love that's here just for you. Hold yourself in this love deeply. Now thank your courageous heart in your own way as you start to feel the stability of the surface beneath you again, letting the breath become a little deeper, a little more invigorating, as a very subtle way to start bringing the mind back into a wakeful state, into the here and now. And let the deepening of your breath also be a sign for the whole body to slowly start to wake up again, allowing yourself to resurface as you become aware again of the space you're in, still lingering in this echo of your practice, still feeling into it, and at the same time slowly allowing just a little movement in your toes and fingers. Maybe you want to rest in this space a little longer, soaking up the benefits of practice just a little more. But otherwise you may softly open your eyes as we let this practice come to an end. I hope this practice benefited you in beautiful ways. And if you enjoyed this practice, it would really mean a lot to me if you subscribed. Thank you so much.